Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Camper Motorhome. A masterpiece of American design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and prestige. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the competitive world of luxury RVs. First, let's talk about the interior. Cadillac is synonymous with luxury craftsmanship, and the 2026 Camper Motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends Cadillac's signature style with modern functionality. Premium leather seating, hand-stitched accents, and real wood veneers create an upscale atmosphere. The living room area includes a massive OLED smart TV, a state-of-the-art surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows for stunning views wherever you travel. The fully equipped kitchen features a smart induction cooktop, a dual-door refrigerator, a built-in espresso machine, and even a climate-controlled wine cellar. The master bedroom comes with a plush king-size bed, while the spa-inspired bathroom offers rainfall showers and high-end fixtures, ensuring every journey feels like a stay at a five-star resort. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Camper Motorhome is a true design statement. With its bold lines, signature Cadillac grille, and chrome accents, it exudes elegance and authority on the road. Aerodynamic enhancements help improve efficiency and handling, while the shimmering pearl metallic paint finish ensures it turns heads wherever it goes. The large motorized awning extends to create a luxurious outdoor lounge, and the exclusive 22-inch alloy wheels, complete with the Cadillac crest, highlights its premium appeal. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight platform, this motorhome delivers both strength and agility. Cadillac's attention to detail ensures every inch of the exterior speaks of refinement and durability. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Camper Motorhome impresses with its hybrid powertrain technology. Under the hood, a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an advanced plug-in hybrid system delivers an impressive balance of raw power and eco-efficiency. Whether you're gliding down highways or navigating rugged backroads, the adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth and composed ride. The intelligent 10-speed automatic transmission adapts seamlessly to your driving style, while Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system adds convenience and safety on long stretches. This motorhome is a true embodiment of Cadillac's philosophy. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Camper Motorhome sits at the top tier of luxury RVs, and its pricing reflects that. With a starting price of around $600,000, it's a serious investment. However, for those who desire the ultimate in automotive luxury, advanced technology, and handcrafted detail, it offers outstanding value. The price includes bespoke customization options, cutting-edge performance systems, and Cadillac's renowned commitment to excellence. Owning this motorhome is not just about travel, it's about embracing a new level of luxury living on the move. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Camper Motorhome is an extraordinary combination of elegance, performance, and next-generation technology. It brings unmatched comfort, style, and sophistication to the world of motorhomes. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or seeking the ultimate mobile luxury lifestyle, Cadillac delivers in every way. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.